You want to change your TikTok name? No problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your TikTok name in just few simple steps. Now let's jump into today's tutorial. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on Edit the pen icon. Tap on Name. Delete your current name if you want to replace it. Then type your new display name. Once you are happy with your new name, tap on Save in the top right corner. Before changing your TikTok name, here's something important to know. TikTok only allows you to change your display name once every 7 days. When you're ready, tap on Confirm. Your TikTok name will now be updated. That's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.